for joining us. And here we are again. Today we will be making a contrast between the two sounds, and They sound similar, don't they? Well, they are not the same sound. So the first sound is If you notice, the mouth is open, the tongue swells in the front part, and the sound comes from the frontal part of the mouth. And you have it in words like apple, words like had, H-A-D, had, and look at this in words like pats, P-A-T, pats. But look at this other sound, What's the difference between and the mouth opens a lot more and the tongue swells at the back of the mouth. Did you get that? The sound is coming from the back of the mouth. That's from the front, and from the back. So let's play with the sound so you get used to it. So let's look at some few examples as we have H-A-D, the H saying the A saying the D saying D. When you put them all together, you have had. But look at this. H-A-R-D, hard. Did you get the difference? Had, hard. The boy had it hard. It was hard. We had it hard. Had, hard. And look at this. P-A-T, pats. How about this? P-A-R-T, parts. Pats. So, I hope you've enjoyed my lesson today on the contrast between and And like I say always, you can go to the segment on drills so that you can play with the sound. So, until we meet again, keep watching these videos, keep improving the quality of your English pronunciations, and together we can have a society of globally acceptable speakers of English. Thank you very much, and God bless you.